Hello everyone, this is Steve. I just want to show you how to use Revenue Radar to find opportunities. I spoke about this in a meeting recently, so I just want to make sure everyone knows how to use the Revenue Radar system and use the filtering within the Revenue Radar. So first you're going to go to DealerSocket, of course. You're going to click on the diamond, which is Revenue Radar. Click on Revenue Radar again. And with this tutorial, we're just going to focus on the pings. Click on pings menu item. And let's just say we're going to focus on customers that have Mazdas that are end of term. So I'm first going to select the orange filter bar here. I'm going to select the radar category I would like to focus on, which is end of term. I'm going to focus on Mazda. So I'm going to select everything and then select Mazda. I want to make sure the statuses are correct. I do want new, so those are new customers, not necessarily new or used, but new customers that are qualifying for the ping. Customers that are in progress, qualified, and expired today. That's the four I would like to see. So once everything I want is selected, there's different drop downs. For example, if you just want to select one single salesperson, you can do that. Or a group of salespeople, you can do that. Or vehicle year, if you want to focus on that, or different models. There's different things you can filter out or filter. So once I'm finished selecting all the filters I would like to use, I'm going to hit apply filters. It tells me here that I have 485 Mazda customers that are end of term, that are active. And you'll see there's 45 pages, and most of these customers are qualifying for multiple pings. If you want to see what pings they qualify for, equity, lower APR, and end of term. So this is a score of 7.1 out of 10. So you know now all the customers are scored from 0 to 10. Higher the score, the better the customer, or more likely the customer is to be able to purchase a vehicle now. So what I would do is say I'm going to take this customer, click on the customer name, and brings out the customer purchase history and sales opportunities and quite a few things about the customer. I can tell from this screen here that the customer has made 65 payments and they have 7 left. The vehicle they have purchased is right here. The date of purchase, what they did, finance, who they financed with, the interest rate, all that, their payment, all that is right here. So this is an opportunity to create or start a conversation. And here you would select the vehicle you want to most likely use to suggest to the customer. And that's what you would do here. Say now I want to filter just customers that are equity customers. So I would uncheck into term, hit equity, still keep Mazda, still keep the 4 statuses here, and then apply filter. Takes down to 660 customers that have equity. Once again, you would click on the customer, look at the score, see if it makes sense. If it's a 1 or 2, that possibly means that they just purchased the vehicle or they paid cash. So it may not be a customer you want to reach out to, but you still look into it. So click on the customer's name, pulls up the customer history, tells me 59 payments were made, 16 remaining, the interest rate, the terms, where it was financed, all that. So once again, opportunity to start a conversation. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.